Hi, I am Jay Surya. I am talking about gamification in e-learning. Gamification. Gamification is a word with a lot of baggage. May you hear it? Roll your eyes and think buzzword or purpose gamification in e-learning sound. A bit dating it to you. The truth is there are loads of ways to incorporate games and gaming elements into your corporate e-learning. Read and learn more and for a few inspiring example of gamification e-learning. Next, we can see about best gamification e-learning examples. A timed quiz pits the learner against millions. A gamified quiz with a baggage to motivate. A scanner plus game elements is equal to sales stimulation. A story lead life saving game. Next, we see about a timed quiz pits the learner against millions. If you need a data but are struggling to engage users, take inspiration from this open university gamification examples. The quiz contributes the valuable data to facial recognition researchers, but from the user perspective, a few simple features presents it as a game. It managed to be a fun and engaging but also a useful. Next, we talk about why it works. It cleverly set up the challenge from the outset. Could you be? Question instantly implies the goal of the game. The element of the competence is also flagged yearly on 3 million people have had go to join them, maybe even beat them. A bold color, simple language, and eye-catching graphics draw the users in more quickly than a traditional invitations to participate in research would. Also, each question is essentially the same. The user is kept engaged and motivated to continue to the end as no feedback is given in play. The question get progressively more challenging, but the time available remains the same. The important game mechanic in terms of keeping people engaged. After the score and feedback, there is invitation to share it with and complete with. Yeah, friends wave a social media button, increasing the reach of the research. Next, we can see about gamified quiz with baggage to motivate. When does a quiz become a game? Purpose with visual rewards and badges are introduced basis points of scoring, or maybe when a time introduce elements of competition. The gamified e-learning examples does both of those things as well, demonstrating several different question types. Next, we see about why it works. Using a range of question type all available elegate. Even audio questions make the feel more than just a quiz. It strikes a good balance between a giving the user time to think and using timed question to add a layer of the competitions. The learning journey involves your two goals to score a lots of points and win a badges. Are presented as on them Christmas bubbles. Next, we see about scanner plus game element and sales stimulation. The gamified e-learning demo shows how example gaming mechanics can be cleverly applied to scanner-based approaches. This result realistics a learning environment the reeling with the salespeoples. Next, we start about why it works. The sense of competition and urgency created by the game mechanism is relevant to the subject with the real life. A scanners reflecting a face-based target-driven sales floor. The user is not controlling a character; they are characters, so the stacks of feel higher and game can be changed more directly transferred to the workplace. It low cost and audio driven stimulation and great demonstration of achieving gamification in corporate training with a huge expense. Next, we see about a story lead life saving gaming. This multiple award winning solution stand the test of timing as a great example of gamified e-learning. What makes it stand out is combination of gaming principle with the impressive storytelling and a strong character. Next, we see about why it works. A first person game throws the user into high stakes situations where the decisions are literally life and death choice. Each decision is timed with a common game mechanic but in context to this subject matter. It also very authentic. The context of this subject matter is also very it multiple device and use the native features of each device. Participating the CPR is done touch on iPad versus using keys on desktop. Multiple gamification techniques are used each decision. Point means point to win and it turn levels are unlocked as use progress through the scanner. Thank you.